Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and to this video we're going to talk about how to sync contacts on TikTok. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, go to your profile by tap here at the bottom, then tap on three line at the top right. Choose settings and privacy, then privacy. And from here you can see this option, sync contacts and Facebook friend. Tap on it and as you can see here, sync contacts option. Simply turn on this option here, and you have to know that your phone contacts will be periodically sunset to help you
find and get discovered by people you know. You can turn this off in at any time. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.